This is Hidden Car Tech. We unlock the real power inside your Audi. More performance, more response, engine power with no limits. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech and drive smarter.
Have you ever looked at your Audi screen and felt like the technology inside the car should be doing much more? The car feels premium, refined, and powerful. Yet when it comes to navigation, music, calls, and everyday usability, the system can still feel slower and less intuitive than the phone you already use every single day. That is exactly where Android Auto changes everything. It transforms your Audi from a good infotainment experience into a much smarter and more connected one, bringing the apps and services you already know directly onto the main display. Instead of adapting yourself to the car begins adapting to your habits, your navigation, your communication, and your daily routine. But here is the problem. Many Audi drivers either do not know Android Auto is already available inside their car, or they assume it is difficult to activate, or they simply never configure it correctly. As a result, they drive every day with a system that could be faster, easier, and more useful without ever unlocking its real potential. Android Auto is not only about convenience, it also improves safety, because it allows you to use navigation, calls, messages, and music with much less distraction. The interface is simpler, the apps are clearer, and voice control becomes much more practical while driving. Around this point, if you want to unlock hidden Audi features and improve your driving experience, without wasting money on unnecessary upgrades, subscribe now. It is free for you, but for us it is essential, because it helps the channel grow and allows us to keep bringing you practical solutions like this. Now let's go deeper. The first thing you need to understand is compatibility. Most modern Audi models with MMI systems support smartphone integration, but not every system is configured the same way. In some cars, Android Auto is already present and only needs to be enabled. In others, it may require a first connection through cable before the feature appears correctly inside the system. This is why many drivers think they do not have Android Auto, when in reality they have simply never completed the initial setup. Once you know your Audi is compatible, everything becomes easier. Android Auto can completely change how you use maps, how you listen to music, how you answer calls, and how naturally the car fits into your daily life. In the next part, I will show you exactly how to activate and install Android Auto in your Audi step by step, including the correct first connection, and the easiest way to make the system work reliably every time you get into the car. Now that you understand how powerful Android Auto can be for your Audi, it's time to move into the most important part, the actual installation and activation process. This is where many drivers get stuck, not because it is difficult, but because they miss one simple step that prevents the system from appearing correctly. The first thing you need to do is turn on your Audi and access the MMI system. From there, go into the connection or smartphone interface section. This is where your Audi manages external devices and integrations. If your system supports Android Auto, you will find an option related to smartphone integration or connected devices. This confirms that your car is ready for the setup. The next step is connecting your Android phone correctly. In most Audi models, the first activation requires a wired connection. This means you need to plug your phone into the USB port using a proper data cable, not just a charging cable. This detail is critical because many connection issues come from using cables that do not transfer data properly. Once connected, your Audi should recognize the device within a few seconds. At this point, a message will appear on the screen asking you to enable Android Auto. Confirm the request both on the Audi display and on your smartphone. After that, the interface will switch automatically, and you will see Android Auto appear on the screen with apps like Google Maps, Phone, Messages, and Music ready to use. If nothing happens, do not assume the system is not compatible. In many cases, you simply need to unlock the phone, allow permissions, and confirm the connection manually. Once the first setup is completed, everything becomes much easier. Every time you enter the car and connect your phone, Android Auto will start automatically. Now let's talk about wireless connection. Some Audi models support wireless Android Auto, but not all of them. If your car does not support it natively, you can still upgrade the experience using a wireless adapter. This small device connects to your USB port and allows your phone to connect automatically without cables. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make, and it changes the daily experience significantly. Another important step is optimizing the connection. Remove old Bluetooth devices that you no longer use and keep your phone updated. This ensures a stable and fast connection every time. Once everything is configured correctly, Android Auto becomes seamless. Navigation is immediate, music is easier to control, and your Audi finally feels as connected as your smartphone. In the next part, I will show you how to optimize Android Auto and unlock hidden features that most drivers never use. Now that your Android Auto is fully installed and working correctly inside your Audi, this is where the real transformation begins. Most drivers stop at basic usage, navigation, music, and calls, but that is only a small part of what this system can actually do. If you configure it properly, Android Auto can completely change how you interact with your car every single day, making everything faster, simpler, and more intuitive. The first upgrade you should activate immediately is voice control. Instead of touching the screen while driving, you can control navigation, send messages, call contacts, and change music using your voice. This is not only more convenient, but it also makes driving safer because your eyes stay on the road. Many Audi drivers ignore this feature, even though it is one of the most powerful tools available. The second improvement is app organization. Android Auto allows you to customize which apps appear and in what order. By removing unnecessary apps and keeping only the essential ones, you create a cleaner and faster interface that responds instantly when you need it. This small adjustment alone can make the system feel twice as fast during daily use. Another key feature is real-time navigation intelligence. Google Maps and other navigation apps inside Android Auto provide live traffic updates, alternative routes, and estimated arrival times that adapt continuously. This means you are not just following a route, you are always driving the most efficient path available. Over time, this can reduce fuel consumption and travel time without you even noticing. Now let's talk about a hidden advantage that most drivers never consider. Android Auto integrates your digital life into your Audi, meaning your calendar, messages, and reminders can appear while you drive. This allows you to stay organized without constantly checking your phone. When configured correctly, your car becomes an extension of your daily routine, not just a vehicle. Another powerful upgrade is audio optimization. Many music apps inside Android Auto allow better control over sound quality compared to the standard system. Combined with your Audi sound system, this creates a much richer listening experience, especially on longer drives. If you want to push the system even further, you can combine Android Auto with steering wheel controls. This allows you to switch tracks, answer calls, and navigate menus without touching the screen at all, creating a seamless driving experience. At this point, your Audi is no longer just a car with a screen. It becomes a fully connected system that adapts to you, improves your daily routine, and makes every drive more efficient and enjoyable. And this is exactly what most drivers never unlock.
Now you know what others don't. Drive smarter. Spend less. Unlock more. Subscribe to Hidden Car Tech. Stay ahead.